In this video, we are going to see that if we want to invite different people like our family or friends to a Discord server or a channel on your phone or on your PC, here's what you can do. So first of all, just select the server that you want to invite people to. For example, this is the server, and then we will just right click on it and click on invite people. This will open up a window where it says share this link with others to grant access to the server. All you have to do is just copy this link and paste it to their chat, or maybe if you want to send it to different people, you can send it to a group as well. And it says your invite link expires in 7 days, so make sure of that. You can also set this link to never expire, and these are some of the invite settings. You can set it to never expire, maximum number of uses, you can limit to 1 use, or you can drag it up to 100 or no limit as well. So just generate the link and just copy that and paste in the chat or wherever you want people to invite to this channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.